In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Share Location Unavailable on your iPhone. Let's get started. I open the Settings app from the home screen to access the system configurations. From here, I slowly scroll down through the main settings menu, moving past General, Accessibility, and the other core options until I see Privacy and Security. I tap on Privacy and Security to open up those specific controls. Right at the top, I notice that Location Services is currently turned off, which is a major reason why location sharing fails, so I tap on that option. I toggle the switch next to Location Services to turn it back on. Once it's active, the full menu expands below it, and I tap on the Share My Location setting directly underneath to ensure the broader network permissions are configured correctly. Next, I go back to the Privacy and Security screen, and then I press the back button again to return to the main settings menu. I scroll all the way back up to the very top of the page to check my network settings. I see Wi-Fi is connected, so I tap on Wi-Fi to verify my internet connection status. I select the blue information icon next to my connected network, PLDT_5G, to view its specific IP and data details. I verify that everything looks good and that the network connection is stable, then I head back out to the main Wi-Fi screen, and tap back once more to return to the main settings menu. Now, I tap on my Apple ID banner right at the top of the screen to open my profile and iCloud account details. Inside my Apple account page, I scroll down a bit and select the Find My option. I look at the Share My Location toggle, which is currently switched off and preventing my device from transmitting its location data, and I tap it to turn it on. This will ensure my device can successfully share its location with friends and family across my messages and map apps. With that toggle finally enabled, the Share Location Unavailable issue is completely resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.